Judge, this is a recall of case 350 in the matter of Smith versus Smith. Parties are reminded you're still under oath.
Ms. Smith, I am advised that you do not have a signed copy of the lease, that you were not able to get that. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. So let me tell you that what your legal problem is with me. Your case says that your father, without your knowledge, signed a lease in your name that obligated you to pay rent. That was without your knowledge, and he did that. That was fraudulent, and as a result of that, you're stuck with the bill, and it's affected your credit. Your father denies that. Your obligation is to bring me proof that he did the acts that you complain of, which means he signed a lease in your name. That's simple. Without proof that he signed a lease in your name, I can't find against him. Do you understand?
Correct.
Now, if the reason you can't get a lease, because the company, certainly, this company that you gave me, this fresh piece of paper that's anybody can fill in the top of this, is not signed by anybody. Right? The last page is blank. The management company would have to have a signed copy. The management company who turned it over, if it was ever turned over to collections, would have to give it to a court to get a judgment to turn it over to collections. Do you understand?
Yes.
So I'm not comfortable without a signed lease to continuing with this case. Do we understand each other?
Yes. Your Honor, when I had called them and I asked for them to send me over a signed copy, she told me that everything, the lease, even the application, was done electronically. So it was signed with the e-signature, not a handwritten signature. And she said it was done through their old system, through EES, so they don't have access to it. But I called back, and they also provided me more documentations that also I can sit here and provide for you that has his information on it and not mine.
Well, if it has his information on it and not yours, then you're not liable under the lease. If it has his information and not yours, what does it have to do with you?
It has my name on it, but he wrote his contact information, he wrote his job, his income, his annual income, and I even have my W-2s to show that my annual income.
Just a second. It has where he works, but it has what's your first name?
Jameika.
Jameika. It has Jameika Smith, and then it has all of his contact information?
Yes. It has his phone number, his email. It never had my phone number. I never was able to even be able to get in contact with them because they never had my number. They never had my email. It was all his.
What you're asking me to do is rely on hearsay to enter a judgment against him, that the company now uses an electronic lease and nobody has, it's an e-signature, but an e-signature would still be a signature, would it not?
It would be.
You sign it, but then you can send it back. You can email it back or scan it and email it back, or you can fax it back, but it still has a signature on it.
I've talked to multiple people, and they've all told me the same thing.
Well.
And this isn't the first act that he's done. He's also done this with a loan bank before, and I have documentations for that as well.
I can't help you unless you furnish me with his signature, and I suggest you get it. So where do you come from?
North Carolina.
I'm going to strongly suggest that you go to this company, and this company is in North Carolina, are they not?
It's in Maryland.
This company is in Maryland.
He lives in Maryland. That's where the apartment is from, Maryland.
That's right. You were living there before you went back to live with your mother.
Right.
Only you know whether you stuck your daughter with the lease.
No, I didn't.
Okay, then we're done. But I'm dismissing your case without prejudice. You get the information and go and sue him with the correct information, which is if you sign something electronically, I can't believe that there isn't a signature on it.
Your Honor, she was there when we go get the keys.
Listen to me. I'm not even getting there.
Okay.
Doesn't have a lease.
Right.
She said she knew nothing about it.
Okay.
That's what you're telling me, right?
Yes.
That's what your papers say, that you knew nothing about this apartment.
I can provide documentation as well.
Okay, we're done. Thank you.